In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track progress with GitHub projects. If you're managing a software development project or any kind of collaborative task, keeping track of progress is vital. GitHub Projects is a fantastic tool to help you do just that, and today we'll explore how to set one up and use it efficiently. Let's get started on creating a new GitHub project. Begin by opening your desired repository or organization where you'd like to manage your project. Once you're there, you'll notice a tab labeled Projects. Click on this tab to navigate to the Projects section. Here you'll see an option to create a new project. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose a layout that suits your project needs. You can select from options like a board, table, or roadmap. Each layout provides a different type of visualization to organize your project tasks and progress, so consider what would most effectively represent your workflow before making a choice. Once you've selected your layout, it's time to create the project. After your new project is set up, you can organize your tasks using columns. A common workflow might include columns such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. These columns help clarify what stage each task is in, allowing you and your team to move tasks between the columns as work progresses, providing a clear visual of the current status of each task. Next, let's talk about adding issues and pull requests to your project board. You have the flexibility to include existing issues, pull requests, or even draft tasks. This can be done in several ways. Simply use the Add Item button, navigate from the Issue sidebar, or set up automated workflows to streamline the process. Automating parts of this can save time and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. To enhance the organization and tracking of your tasks, GitHub Projects supports the addition of custom fields. These fields might include status, priority, assignee, due date, or sprint iteration. Custom fields are a powerful feature for filtering and managing tasks according to different criteria, providing insights into task priorities and ensuring that deadlines are met. Finally, tracking the completion status of your tasks is straightforward with GitHub Projects. The interface allows you to quickly see what's been completed, what remains open, and highlight any blocked items or pending reviews. Both the board and table views are designed to give you a comprehensive overview of your project's progress, helping you to manage efficiently and stay on top of pending tasks. And there you have it, a thorough guide to setting up and managing your projects with GitHub Projects. Experiment with the different views, use custom fields wisely, and keep your tasks organized to ensure smooth progress tracking. Thank you for joining me today, and don't forget to check out the other tutorials for more tips on maximizing your GitHub experience.